Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. What if I told you there's a vehicle that perfectly blends military heritage, rugged off-road power, and classic 1980s style? Meet the legendary 1984 Jeep CJ7 Renegade, a true icon of freedom, adventure, and raw driving experience. In today's video, we'll explore its history, exterior design, interior features, performance, and why this Jeep still rules the off-road world today. The story of the CJ7 begins with Jeep's military roots, dating back to World War II. The CJ stands for Civilian Jeep, designed to bring battlefield toughness to everyday drivers. The CJ7, introduced in 1976, became one of the most popular Jeep models ever produced. By 1984, the Renegade trim represented a more sporty and stylish version of the CJ7. It featured bold decals, upgraded interiors, and enhanced off-road capability, making it a favorite among adventure lovers. The CJ7 was also one of the last true classic Jeeps before the Wrangler era began, giving it a special place in automotive history. Exterior. The exterior of the 1984 CJ7 Renegade is simple, bold, and instantly recognizable. You get the iconic 7-slot grille, classic round headlights, wide fender flares, and aggressive Renegade side decals. Its short wheelbase and compact size make it perfect for tight trails and rugged terrain. Most models came with removable soft tops or hard tops, a rear-mounted spare tire, and heavy-duty off-road tires. This Jeep wasn't built to look pretty, it was built to go anywhere. Interior. Step inside, and you'll notice something immediately. This Jeep is all about function over luxury. The interior features basic dashboard with essential gauges, high back seats for comfort on rough terrain, simple controls and rugged materials. Some Renegade models offered sports steering wheel, center console, premium sound upgrades, Barrett-Jackson, no touchscreens, no distractions, just you, the road, and pure driving freedom. Performance. Under the hood, the 1984 CJ7 Renegade offered multiple engine options. The most popular 2.5L inline, for producing around 105 horsepower. 4.2L inline, 6 delivering about 112 horsepower and strong torque. Automobile catalog. This Jeep wasn't about speed, it was about torque and durability. Key performance features: 4x4 drivetrain with Dana 300 transfer case, manual or automatic transmissions, leaf spring suspension for tough terrain. Top speed? Around 80 to 85 miles per hour, but honestly, this Jeep belongs off the road, not on the highway. Automobile catalog. It excels in rock crawling, mud driving, trail adventures. This is where the CJ7 truly shines. The 1984 Jeep CJ7 Renegade isn't just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle. It represents freedom, simplicity, and the spirit of adventure. Even today, collectors and off-road enthusiasts love the CJ7 for its classic design and unstoppable capability. If you want a vehicle that connects you to the road, or no road at all, this Jeep is still one of the best choices ever made. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like,